So hit that subscribe.
All right, man. Okay, now that all the dust is settled on these sneakers, what sneakers am I talking about? We're talking about the Kobe 4 Protro Girl Dad. I ain't even gonna waste your time, man. Let's just get at it.
Ain't no scam. Sneakers, electronics, toys in the mix. The sets got the scoop, all the latest tricks.
Okay, so we're gonna start this video off with traditional sneaker fodder, right? Ooh, you want to see the box? Oh my gosh, it's the Kobe 4 Protro box. Ain't nothing different than any other Kobe box, but we here on YouTube like to show y'all and stuff these videos full of content just because that's what we do. Nobody really want to see what the damn box look like, right? No? All right, get that out of here. So let's talk about this sneaker, man. Open these joints up, bro. I'm gonna tell you right off the top, I wasn't feeling them. I wasn't. If it wasn't, all right. Let me ask you this question. Feel free to chime in the comment section. If this wasn't a Kobe sneaker, right, and it didn't have the Girl Dad stitched on the tongue, would you really buy this shoe? Would you? And I'm gonna go ahead and step out on the limb and say, nope, you wouldn't. This is one of those things where it's Kobe. And in the post Mamba era, anything that has Kobe's name attached to it, it's going to go. This one does have a story. Unlike some of the other Kobe's, well, not very many of them, because most of them do have a story or some sort of meaning behind the colorway. This one actually is one that hits home for me, right? I am a girl dad. I got quite a few girls. I got 2 boys, 3 boys too, but I have more girls than boys. So this one right here hit home for me. And that's one of the reasons why I went for this sneaker. I was kind of iffy. I watched a couple videos before they were dropped, and it was mixed emotions with this shoe, right? And I think still there's a lot of mixed emotions with this sneaker. For me, when I got it out the box, I was like, bruh, nah, we ain't gonna be able to do that. And I think I was a victim of overhype at that point. I don't normally follow the trend of hype, but I think I was in the moment. Oh, it has meaning. This bi-coastal green is the color of the beanie that he was wearing courtside when him and Gigi was at the game, right? Okay, it has a story behind it. This orange, he had this color orange on in that same outfit, right? Cool, right? So when I got them, I opened the box and I was like, ugh. The same reaction I had to the Venice Beach ones, right? Initially, I was like, yeah, I'm not wearing this. But then a couple days later, I'm like, yeah, I think I like them. I really do. And I normally don't do that. But when you're a Kobe fan and you have the opportunity to try on sneakers anyway, just to see if you are going to be one of the lucky ones to hit, you got to do it. And that's exactly what I did with the Venice Beach. I actually went for the Italian camo. Those are the ones I wanted, but that's neither here nor there. With these, it was a single drop. I hopped on late, mind you. It was like 4 or 5 after 10 o'clock and got in there 30 seconds later. I got them. So that's a mental note for myself. Don't be the first one at 10 o'clock to enter a Leo. Don't do that. Wait a few minutes. Now, do that at your own caution. For me, I'm good. So, who is really hooping in this shoe, man? Who hooping in this shoe? Not me. I mean, the materials on here are, yeah, there's some pretty good suede on these shoes, man. It's got the whole, back forward motion thing going right there, man. I'm not hooping in this. Even if I was on the hoop circuit like I used to be, I still wouldn't hoop in these. These are, they gonna get worn, but it ain't that. Not with these, right? Again, I didn't like them when I first opened the box, but after careful consideration and getting the glue stains off of here, A1. So, who's this shoe for? Anybody who bought that motherfucker, that's who it's for. We ain't only play them games on the set. So, this shoe is for the people who actually got them, that wanted them. And it ain't going for a crazy price. So if you want a pair of these, go ahead and get them. And speaking of those quality control issues, bro, it was a lot. It was a lot. And I know some people that got these too, and yeah, they had the same issue, bruh. Like some of the stuff I could get out, but for the most part, like this right here, I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but that right there, that ain't coming out, bro. That ain't that back booty stroke, back whatever motion. You can see it, but you see that black stain right there. So again, there's a lot of quality control issues on these shoes. But I guess that's the price you pay for rushing out production on these, because I ain't wanting to be looking at the manufacturer date on these shoes. But for this one, I'm kind of curious. I'm blind as shit too, so we gonna see. Hell, I can't even see it. Man, but you get the point. It seems like they rushed to get these out, right? You know, Father's Day is coming up this weekend, and what better time to release a Kobe girl dad sneaker than somewhere near Father's Day? So they cool, man. They cool. They ain't nothing that's gonna wow you or send you over the moon for rocking a pair of Kobe 4s, because let's be honest, that ain't the favorite silhouette of most Kobe fans or most sneakerheads anyway. The Kobe 4 is just not that. And I'm cool with that, because these actually have a meaning. It's a girl dad going right there. I'm a girl dad. Hell, it don't really matter what kind of dad you are, as long as you're present, right? That's all that matters, right? Okay, Kobe was present. And you can see that by the way he interacted with his girls. That's just all it is, bro. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, man, because there's been a lot of stuff going around the internet about these shoes on YouTube and who's this shoe for. We don't do all that shit here on the set, bro. I'm gonna just give you my honest opinion on this shoe. And I'm gonna tell you, I ain't like it when I first got them out the box. I didn't. And that's saying a lot, because I'm a Kobe fan. Am I a straight out fanatic that's gonna like everything Kobe puts out? No. Well, Nike brand, Kobe's no longer with us. But you get what I'm saying. So I wasn't. But after I put them on, did some funky shit with the laces, yeah, I'm with them. I definitely am with them. But what I would say is I'm going to do a lace swap on these, just so I can see if I can make the color pop on this green, because there's a lot of green on this shoe. I feel like I need to do a lace swap on these to break up some of this bi-coastal green. Maybe a chrome color here like that, or this silver, or hell, on the insole here, maybe even get that orange. I think that's what I'm gonna gravitate to. It might look crazy, but I'm gonna try it just so I can say I tried it. Who knows? It might be maybe the way I rock these, but hell, I think either the orange or a white or this silver color would make this pop. Yeah. If that translucent sole is cold. It's not your traditional translucent sole. So yeah. We gotta do something about it, man. We're gonna do something about these, man. Drop me a comment below and let me know whether these joints is straight up trash or if it's something you wait for, and of course in sneakers fashion, you caught the L. Or if you caught the dub, let me know how you really felt about them. Let me know if you had quality control issues with yours too. Because not only was I not feeling them, they had mad glue stains and stuff all over the damn shoe. I was hot, but it's cool. We'll make do, right? If you like the content we put out here on the set, please hit that subscribe button. Man, we trying to take this thing on up to the next level, man. Comment below. Let me know what we doing here on the set. Cool, or if it's trash, any improvements, let me know. Again, I'm just doing this just because let me not say that, because I like doing it. You know, it is what it is, bro. Hit your boy up in the comments, man. Let me know about the Kobe 4 girl dad. And for all you fellas out there that are girl dads and you was able to cop these, good on you. But bottom can eat shit. All right, let me not say that either, because there's a lot of people who do bottom, and I actually know a lot of them, so it's cool. It is what it is, man. Sneak game crazy though. I'm digressing like a motherfucker. But Kobe 4 Pro girl dad with that super slick suede on them. Let me know what you think down in the comment section, bro. I'm gonna go get on out of here. Go do something important with the rest of my life, as you should as well. Gone.
So hit that subscribe button, join the fam. We up back in heat, ain't no scam. Sneakers, electronics, toys in the mix. The set's got the